Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a dip, so it can be used for Taco Tuesday as well. It is a bacon, cheesy, barbecue chicken dip. I think I got all the words. If I didn't, my mom will put them in the title or something. Also, we're going to link the original recipe in the description box below. But this is delicious, okay? So, imagine bacon and cheese and chicken and barbecue sauce. I mean, they're all in there, and they're all really good together. It gives a sweet aftertaste, the barbecue sauce. It was a hit. Everybody here loved it. And my mom even gave me some cheese and some bacon, so I was fine with that. But you guys should give this one a try and let us know what you think. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. It's time for the Monday meal. And as Yoda said, this could be used for Taco Tuesday as well because it's a dip. Okay, so we're making a slow cooker cheesy bacon barbecue chicken dip. I think that's in the right order, but I'll put the actual link to the original recipe in the description box below. But I was looking for a dip recipe that also had chicken in it, and so I found one on 35 different dip recipes on the Pioneer Woman's website. So I will put the link to the original recipe, but this is pretty close to it. Mostly, other than the things I'm allergic to that I substituted. So let me tell you what we got in here. So there is bacon at the bottom. The bottom layer is bacon. 12 slices of bacon. You can save a couple to put on top, but that's 3/4 of a cup bacon bits, just so you know. So 12 slices of bacon. Then we did barbecue sauce, 1/3 cup. So we're using our sugar-free G. Hughes sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. We did a cup of already cooked chicken, shredded chicken. So we're using this one from Walmart. About half of a box of that one. 1/3 of a cup milk. So we use this coconut milk. Then we're doing mozzarella shreds, BioLife. And this one, of course, is vegan. So 1/3 of a cup of that. This might have been a cup of milk. I can't remember. Just look at the recipe. This is 1/3 of a cup mozzarella, though. Remember that. Then 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So we used BioLife's vegan. And then 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Again, BioLife vegan cream cheese because I'm allergic to dairy. And then you put in the 1/3 of a cup barbecue sauce. And you're not supposed to do these till later, but these are dehydrated, so I went ahead and put them in there. 3 to 6 chopped chives or green onion. And then I'm reserving these 2 to top it off with at the end. If you want to add some more bacon or some more green onion, you can. So that is what's in there. And then there's a 1-ounce packet of ranch dressing mix. So that is what's in there. And you stir it a couple of times. So you put it on low. Yeah. And for 2 to 3 hours. And really just everything needs to melt together. But you can stir it a couple of times during that, it says. So take the lid off and stir it, which it's going to need to as this cream cheese melts. But anyway, we're going to do that, put the lid on, and I will show you the finished product. All right, here's the finished product. It's been 2.5 hours. It was probably done at 2. It just needs to melt, but it looks yummy. Give it a try. Happy Monday or Taco Tuesday.